Pump and dump, guys. Pumpdumpboy at gmail.com, guys. Just made 285% trade. We trade via GALA, Fetch.ai, guys. There's a lot of money in this market, guys. Lot of money. Like to say welcome to our new members, Virginia, Kelly, and Charles. Okay, first trade recap. I shared this trade in the private list. GALA, guys. Shared this trade in the private list right here on Saturday, September 7th, January 7th, and I put a sell order up here, 0.002, guys. I made $12,000, 500. Like I mentioned before, we trade based on volume. That's a volume spike right here, right after, a day after, got a volume spike. 12,500. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money, guys. GALA. Shared traded the private list, September 7, almost like 11 p.m., almost September 8. We bought this coin for 0.023 cents, guys. And you put us order up here, 4 cents and 85%. Guys, asking, new members asking me why you we always get the order fill, because you have a lot of experience, guys. I put a sell order right here for a reason. Let me show you. This is a 1 hour chart. Let's go to a daily chart, okay? Go down. Boom. Here. This is a 200 EMA. This line work as a magnetic, guys. As far as we are trade pump, we never put the sell order close to 200 EMA. We put it way down here. And also I use this thing here. It's called resistance, guys. So that's the reason we put a sell order right here. So step by step, so new members can understand the way it works is, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power at least 70%. I got a volume spike in GALA right here. You can see these numbers here. GALA. Let me make this thing quick, bigger. Right here. Apologize. What happened here? I don't know. Delete. Okay. Guys, simple. You see this number here. Friday, 12 p.m. The volume was right here. Take a look at those candles down here. They start to spike, guys. And now here the software telling me buyer power. So what's gonna happen? The price is gonna explode. So from here up to here, 85%. I mean 8,500. Okay. So one more trade recap, guys. It's a Fetch.ai, guys. Apologize. Fix this. Okay. Fetch.ai, same strategy, guys. There's no secret here. Let me make this thing bigger. Okay, right here. Boom. Now it looks nice. Here, guys, one single volume spike right here. There is no volume out of the blue. Take a look at this volume spike here. Spike. So volume spike plus buyer power. My software collect this data straight from the exchange, so I know which coin is the balance between buyers and sellers. Okay, our pump and dump group put us ahead of any trade out there, because you use this bot to tell us what's gonna happen to the market, so you jump in and jump out. Okay, so that is the strategy, guys. We jump in, jump out. Quick move. Okay, bought for 10 cents. Oh, sorry, apologize. We bought this coin right here for 9 cents, 9.1, and put a sell order right here at 16, 73%, guys. I made over 7,000, 75%, 73, but I made around 71. But here, same thing, yeah. New namers. Why I put a sell order right here? Go to a daily chart. Okay, right here. So as far as you already crossed the 200 EMA, now we go to the second resistance. Look at this resistance right here. See? Our order get filled. Easy money, 75%. I just made $28,000 trading crypto. You can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades. We are a group. We trade as a family. Okay, guys. We already have 28 subscribers. We already some members. A lot of people interesting. It's getting excited, people. I always say, guys, more people buying when I provide my trades, that means more money in the market. more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster, guys. The private list is increasing. Put yourself in the private list. Make yourself. I'm gonna send you trades. And also, guys, it's not about the we trade coins, and also we trade Bitcoin too. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin we trade as a swing trade. This channel is focused in volume spike and buyer power. That means we focus in pumps, guys. Okay. I don't recommend any coin. Some people offer me a lot of money. Hey, let's recommend this coin. Recommend this coin. Let's make a partnership with that coin. No, I don't do this shit. I already make a lot of money doing this. I don't wanna like messed up, you know. So don't get too excited about Bitcoin. You just have a small breakup here. The price might go up here to $18,000, 500. When the price hits here, I will let you know what's gonna happen to Bitcoin. Remember, when last time when the price hit this resistance, we look the crash, boom. So pay attention. Don't get too excited, guys. Wait for my email. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Now we focus on quick money. We trade, we jump in and jump out. Quick and easy money, guys. You already know all the good stuff. Give me a like in this video, guys. Subscribe. Let's trade together, because together we are strong, guys. More people buying the same coin, same time, price will go up faster. Guys, remember, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com if you like to get your name on the private list. Appreciate it. Have a happy new year and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.